So I'm Sean Casey. I've been in education for over 18 years. I've been a teacher, I've been an administrator, everything from a classroom teacher up through assistant superintendent and CIO. I've taught high school, middle school, and just about every subject you can imagine. I think my favorite was 6th grade. And over the years I use technology more and more in my classroom, and now I use technology for education almost exclusively because it's such a differentiator and a leveler of a playing field for students.
Let me show you how to create an assessment in Buzz. First, open the curriculum page using the main menu. Select the folder in which you want to add an assignment, click the Add icon, and choose Add New. Give your assessment a title that will help you and your students recognize it easily. Open the template drop-down list and select Assessment. If you want to place the assessment in the course and edit it later, you would select Add. I'm going to select Add and Edit so that I can edit the content right now. The Edit Item panel appears, providing everything you need to build your assessment. From the Properties tab, you can use various types of content to set up your assessment. You can enter the text in the editable region, attach documents, embed media, insert images, and add links. Use this editor to provide the directions and resources your students will need to complete the assessment. Adjust font, size, color, styles, etc. to format the activity and create the look and feel you want. You can use the editor at the bottom of the page to add instructor notes for your students. This is a good place to provide additional explanation and supporting resources. Now, let's see how to add the actual assessment questions. First, open the Questions tab. This is the question editor where you can create and edit each question. All assessment questions are listed on the left. These 4 links will help you get started quickly. First, select your type of question by opening the Question Type menu. Multiple choice is the default selection, but you can also build short answer, essay, matching, multiple answer, and custom questions. For this example, I'll build a multiple choice question. Click where the directions say to enter your question stem. When you are ready to write your answer options, simply hit Enter. Use Enter each time you want to start a new answer option until the question is complete, and then select the correct answer option to mark it as correct in the assessment. Next, select the Edit Feedback button to add feedback to each answer option. Use the score link to assign a point value to each question. More difficult questions, or questions that require more time, like essay questions, can be given greater value than other questions. The General tab in the Properties link allows you to assign a question to a specific group and add a definition for custom questions. Clicking Maintain Response Order will ensure that the answer options always appear as you order them here, and selecting Display Workspace will provide your students with an editor window to help them work out the answer where it seems helpful. The Metadata tab allows you to assign the type of competency being assessed and the difficulty level of the question. The Variables link allows you to generate unique question versions for different students or instances. For example, when writing a math problem, you could define a number range variable here, use that variable in the question stem and answer options, and Buzz would randomly select numbers within that range for each assessment. The numbers change between instances, but the mathematical concept being tested remains the same. The Preview link displays how that question will appear to your students. Clicking Cancel will not save your assessment. Click Done to save your assessment, and you can always return and revise it later. When you return to the curriculum page, you will now see the assessment added to the course structure. Great job! You just completed your first assessment.
Buzz, your learning empowerment toolbox.